Oh my God, I have phobia for caterpillars, and here is a huge one. Oh my gosh, stay there, stay there. Don't come on my skin. I don't want you on my skin. Stay there, please. Guys, in just 1 month, we have vegetables ready to eat. Cucumbers are ready, the kale is ready, and gourgets are also ready to eat. In just 1 month, we are harvesting. Unfortunately, the gourgettes are affected. Something is affecting them. They dry up very, very easily. As you can see, they get yellow, they turn yellow, and they are completely dry and they dry up. So I think a pest is affecting them. This is an organic garden and I haven't used any pesticides. So let's see. But I have another plant of gourgette, so this is not the only one. Fruits are also ready to eat. These are some kind of berries. They are ready. They are they are ready when they are black. So I'm harvesting some as well. Ready to eat. Let's eat berries. Guys, see what I discovered in the garden? A huge caterpillar. A huge caterpillar. I've got phobia for caterpillars and I keep seeing them whatsoever. I always spot them. Now I spotted this huge one. I just placed my harvest down here, and then coming to pick them up, I discovered this huge caterpillar. It's eating some kind of plant. And just for your information, I have been watching it. There are actually two here. One is hidden. I discovered two, and they are here. I have been watching them, and they are here now for like a week. Anyway, I have just discovered them. Now it's 1 week. Um, so I'm very happy to see that there are other organisms living in the garden because it's purely organic. But it's very, oh my goodness, they are harmless, but I'm very afraid of them. But at the same time, I'm happy to see them and to see them enjoying the food in the garden. But it's just so huge. So I spent some time. I spent some time here just watching how it is and trying to imagine how it would feel if it were on my skin. Oh my gosh, I don't want it on my skin. I don't want it on my skin. It's beautiful, but I don't want you on my skin. Please stay there. Please stay there. Oh my gosh, I have phobia for caterpillars. I know it's irrational, but I don't know what to do about it. I keep seeing them everywhere. Oh, this is huge.